In this video, we'll look at receipting a purchase order for barcoded products. First up, we'll add one to our product. Go to the product record, scroll down, go to Units of Measure and Update. You can add a barcode for different units of measure for the product, per unit or by box, for example. Now, when you're on the receipt purchase order screen, you will see a barcode icon on the top right-hand side. Click that button. The Scan Single Barcode window will display. Ensure that the cursor is in the barcode box, and you can then scan in the product. So let's do that for my lounge chair. By default, the increment by field is set to 1, meaning that you'd be scanning individual product quantities. This could be changed to the quantity that you have received, but let's just leave it at 1 for now, then click Add. Once added, you will see that the receipt quantity will reflect the scanned-in product. Let's now quickly scan in the other 9 products. So here's where we can change that increment by field to 9, then add it in. You will then see that all 10 products reflect in the received quantity field, which means that you can continue and confirm the receipt. If you want to scan multiple product barcodes, you can click on the barcode button, then select the multi-scan option. An example of when you would use this option is when you have different products with different barcodes that you want to scan in one go. As you start scanning the barcodes, they will display as a list. So let's scan in the 3 products for this purchase order and then click Add. You will see that the 3 products now reflect in the receipt quantity field, which means that you can continue and confirm the receipt.